Sales conversations hold insights that move deals forward, but teams struggle to capture and use them. That's where conversation intelligence comes in, automatically turning every conversation into insights that guide sellers and progress deals. Automatically capture and analyze every call, meeting, and email to surface the moments that matter, objections, risks, and next steps. With these insights, sellers can zoom in to find the exact moments they need. Just ask Agentforce what was said about pricing, or zoom out to see the trends and risks shaping the entire pipeline and the exact deals impacted, so teams always know where to focus. And because all conversation data is unified in Salesforce, it becomes a trusted data foundation, one that Agentforce activates across the sales cycle to scale your team. Agentforce updates key fields like next steps and deal stage using your sales methodology for a more reliable pipeline and more accurate forecasts. To save reps time, Agentforce drafts personalized follow-up emails after every meeting, recapping the discussion, confirming next steps, and moving the deal forward. With unified conversation data, you can activate insights across every workflow, wherever sellers work. Analyze call data and understand why a deal was won or lost directly on the opportunity. Or bring call summaries into Slack so key moments, risks, and next steps show up where teams collaborate. With conversation intelligence, your insights fuel Agentforce sales, helping teams close deals, forecast accurately, and grow revenue with confidence. To get started, visit sfdc.com/sales/conversation-intelligence.